for Southern Oregon. They take it about the own 20-yard line. That's Alfonso Harris. He breaks tackles. He could go again. He's in open field. Excuse me, that's Bauer, number 34. He's in open field. Has Matt Craven to beat. Craven's going to drag him out of bounds inside.
Amassing almost probably close to 200 yards in returns on only 3 returns.
So the score 20-14, 29 seconds to go in the first quarter. Guthrie comes up underneath center. One receiver, that's Hamilton, to the near side. Excuse me, 2 receivers here to the near side of the field. He looks over here, finds a receiver out of bounds inside the, right at the 15-yard.
Yeah, pretty big talker. He makes some great plays and he likes to let people know about it. And it looks like the referee was telling him that they're not going to have any more of that in the rest of this game.
But I think Chad Guthrie and the Southern Oregon coaching staff has decided they're going to go ahead and pick on Brandon Hughes because Hamilton has simply abused him all day long so far, and I believe the thinking is that they're going to continue to take advantage of that matchup.